It's called bike life for a reason. There's no stopping, there's no retiring from it. That's why the word life is on the end. You're gonna do it for life.
And if anybody think bike life bullshit, they not living.
This right here, this is a sport though. It's a sport. This ain't got no bad stuff to it. Everybody has families.
And when we all form together, we form like Voltron, and we definitely run the streets.
I do this shit because it's my passion, man. That's what I love to do. I do this shit every day. But you gotta fall to know what not to do and what to do. You know what I'm saying? You got dedication and hard work.
So don't get in it just because you think you're gonna get a little popular name off of it. You're gonna get some girls, all that. Cause that don't make you bike like this.
Man, ride your own ride.